Good evening, everybody is welcome to my channel PPI Tutor. Today we will learn the basic electric method of analysis. The problem is using source transformation to find VO. We can observe that VO is here across the resistor 4 ohm. Can we observe that how many total independent sources here? The independent source, this is current source 2 ampere on the left hand, independent voltage source 6 volt here in the middle position of the circuit, and the last one is on the right hand side, and then 24 volt on the right hand side, like this. Source transformation. Here we go. Let's get started. This is the independent 6 ohm and then 2 ampere current source in the upward direction. We will use this one. We can transform from the current source here, and then the arrow is upward direction. After you transform to the voltage source here, the direction will upward, and then the negative in the bottom position, and the positive side is the upper position, like this. And then the 6 ohm resistor will be series to the voltage source here, and we use V equal IR. What is the value of I? Current is 2 ampere, and then the value of resistor is 6 ohm, and then right now we have 2 multiplied by 6, and then the first is 12 volt here, and then 6 ohm insert here. The first left hand side, we finished source transformation. In the middle position, we do nothing right now because of the form is the independent voltage source, and will have no serial resistor like this. Okay, we go for the next step. We remain 4 ohm here, and then the output VO. We go to the right hand side here. This is 12 ohm resistor, and then series to the independent voltage source 24 volt right now. Again, from V equal I multiplied by R, I will be equal V divided by R. What is the value of V? 24 volt, and then the value of resistor is 12. Okay, absolutely. We obtain right now I equal 2 ampere. And what is the direction? The direction is here. The series become to the parallel, and then the voltage source will transform in the form of current source here, 2 ampere. Finish. For the first transform, the first transform is left hand side. We transform from the current source parallel to the resistor, and then we transform to the voltage source series to the resistor. And the mid position will remain like this. Do nothing. Do not change anything. And we go to the right hand side. We observe that we have series 12 ohm, and then independent current voltage source here. So after we transform for the second term, this one, what we do, we go to the next step. I will change the color to amber. We will try to rearrange the resistor. I will use Rx equal versus the parallel. In the easy way, for parallel 12 ohm, the equivalent resistor is 4 multiplied by 12 and then over divided by 4 plus 12. Absolutely, we have 48 over 16, and finally 3 ohm. We go to the next step. We redraw the circuit again. Right now we have 12 volt like this and 6 ohm here. There are 6 volt series to independent voltage source 6 volt, and then right now the parallelogram between 4 ohm and then 12 ohm is 3. But what is the value of voltage across here? It still remains VO because of in the principle of parallel, two parallel resistor of 4 or 5 or 6 is all parallel. The voltage is the same, right? Okay, we have like this. Two ampere. For the next step, we will use source transformation again. But we try to keep this position here because of this one is the value we need to know. We can transform another point. For the next step, we will try to transform here and here. This is assuming the current flow from here and here. The inlet is negative, the exit is positive in the direction of current flow. For the next one, the inlet is negative and the exit is also positive. Can you observe that? This is same direction. Maybe the understanding of the principle is you need to notice the polarity of this system flow in the same direction. If flow in the same direction, the summary equivalent of this one and this one will be absolutely 80 volt. Where it came from? 18 volt is 12 plus 6, and then here 6 ohm. The position here is same, VO and 3 ohm, and then the current source here. Oh, right now the circuit is too small right now. Can you observe that the circuit is too small? We transform again to the right hand side. this position. This is the direction of current source is upward. What is the value? I equal V over 3 ampere, and then 6 ohm like this. We go to parallel. This is 6 ohm and then 3 ohm. And then the last one is downward direction 2 ampere. This is also 2 ampere. The voltage still be VO here. What we will do for the next step? You can combination these two resistors again. And the current flow direction right now. What is the final value? You have 3 ampere is upward, and you have 2 ampere is downward. Is the opposite direction. That means you have right now 3 minus 2 equal 1 ampere is upward. And then the last one is RY parallel equal 6 multiplied by 3, and then 6 plus 3 equal 18 over 9 ohm. And then we have VO here. The final VO is equal, the current flow part here is following to the Ohm's law, V equal I multiplied by R. The last one is we have 1 multiplied by 2, and then the last one, your answer is 2 volt. Okay. Can you reveal that? I use just only source transformation. Source transformation, you can go back to review what is the principle of source transformation. We have resistor parallel to the independent current source, what we can transform. If we have the independent current source, voltage source and series with the resistor, what is the transformation? How can we transform from one form to another form? It is source transformation. Okay, we see you again. We see again on the next clip. If you like, please subscribe my channel. You press like. Please share for me. Thank you very much, and see you again for our next clip.